Don't you hate when this happens to you? Crumbs are annoying, hard to clean, and people lead busy lives and don't have time for such tasks. With the Crumb Consumer, cleanup is a breeze. You just turn her on and let her consume.
Going beneath the hood here, where we can look at the electronic components of the Crumb Consumer. First, we start with our upper Arduino board, which we have wired into two infrared sensors, one on the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the Crumb Consumer. This is used to detect the edges of the table to prevent it from falling to death below, where it just detects, is there a table here? If the answer is yes, she's good to run. If the answer is no, she's going to back up. So, if we switch our view to the sleek aerodynamic underclad of the Crumb Consumer, we can start to look at the brushes of the motor unit itself. Wow, look at those things go. They work to agitate any of the stuck-on crumbs to the table, thus providing better suction capabilities and better pickup abilities of all sizes of crumb, because we don't think size matters here.
On top of the Crumb Consumer, we have a sleek black shell that makes it perfect for every tabletop in America. Thank you for watching our video, and this is the Crumb Consumer.